Let's go, guys. Top is doing really crazy good. Top is going all the way out. Let me just check if we're gonna have a huge pump here for top. Guys, top is doing all right. We already hunted for this one, and we're still hunting it. Top is on the top gainer list for today. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Don't forget, because we're gonna have a huge day ahead of us. And spread the love, of course, and let's get right to it, because the market is live and we're ready to hunt it down. It's Friday. It's Friday. Top is on the top of the mountain. Top is on the top, guys. Top is on the top. Testing a major resistance at $7.47, and now kind of breaking again. We might have a mega squeeze if we broke this level, guys. 747. Yes, this is it. A huge resistance coming up. Huge resistance coming up for top. If we broke here, game on. Hit the like button and the weigh in, everybody. Top is a huge gainer for today, 130. Yes, 760, 764. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This one is mean business, guys. This one mean business. Let me just adjust. Maybe we're gonna have a rejection around the 832 or 31. Let me just put another resistance around the 830 just in case to exit. 776. This one man is going. So we have a huge resistance coming up. This is where we should exit really quickly, because here the resistance that we should have a pullback between the 830 and the 9, guys. This is where the short seller are hiding big time for top. So watch out, guys. This is it for this one. Top fate, yes, doing all right. This one we already hunted earlier, guys, on our Discord. Right now, yes, top. We already discussed this one here on our live streaming before we did this live streaming. Of course, guys, we did another live streaming before that, and we discussed top here before the breakout, before everything. We said the $6.50, guys, this is the resistant breakout. So we have a good entry, and even before that, around the 570, and you see, we have a good entry here again around the 650, guys. We said perfect entry for top, and the price pumped from there. From this is the perfect entry, guys. Before the market opened and before we did our live streaming, it was here, the perfect entry. And now the market maker is pumping top, guys, toward this level. Top, I think we're gonna get the on the top of the mountain today. Okay, okay, no problemo. Let me just adjust it right now. Oh man, the short sellers are coming up. The short is coming up. Okay, we have a bit of pullback, early pullback, early pullback here. Yes, of course. Okay, we have a bit of pullback, so we have to have a bit of pullback before this resistance. So the early resistance, actually, we discussed the $7.47. Yes. So we went up a bit. So this was a fake out, guys. Look at that. Let me just show you. That's why we suggest to take profit around the 747, guys. 747. Let me just check here. Yes, we went until the 766. If we go on the 5-minute, you see the 747 was our wick here. So this is that was a really good exit around the 747. As we discussed here, guys, on the breakout, it was entry good for our hunters. 650, and the 747 is the profit. You see what's happened here? We have the 778, and the price closed below. So still 747 is the profit taking 47 exactly here. Yes. So was the resistance, of course. 747 clear on the 5-minute. It was a exit strategy for top, and now we pulling back. The other level that we might get to if we broke the 747 later on is around the $9. But now time for a pullback. time for a pullback for top. However, guys, it was a really good entry on our Discord, of course. Yes, it was perfect entry. ABS, thank you for the reminder, brother. Because I time travel. I time travel. You got me. Yes, cryptos is pumping and Riot is pumping, guys. We have 10% for Riot. We have 8% for Coin. We have 12% for Mara, guys. This is unprecedented. This is unusual. Look at that. We have a huge reversal. We discussed that, guys. We discussed that almost 2 weeks ago. We said this is the bottom. This is it. It was a good entry zone. Look how much we did, guys. How much? 60%. This is madness. 60% in 21 days. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Less than 1 month, and we have a perfect reversal for right as well. Here we did almost 50% and going toward the 60% now. So yeah, right, looking good for a test right now around the 1654. Wow, Bonk is pumping 15%. This one have a nice bottom, guys, where we reverse from. This one look good. Yeah, top, watch out. We might have a good dip now. We might have a good dip to buy top. Whoa, Sun W looking good for a dip. Yeah, it reversed perfectly from the 1435. Of course, this one we discussed it as well on our live streaming that we hunt for Sun W. We discussed Sun W as well in beginning our video here. And we said the bottom for Sun W is around this level. As you can see here for Sun W, we said the 1435 and the resistance 1998. Not the year 1998, but this is the level. And yeah, now reverse from the 1435. Look at that. Perfect reversal, guys. Over our support, the 14. And we did how much here? 15%. So you see, guys, that's why we do our live streaming before that, because the action always happened before the market open. The good entry happened before the market open. We've got a good action. Okay, top, 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 top. Still holding. We've got a resistance now over or around the 769. Watch out, we might break it now. Target $9. Yes, $9. This is the target. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Hit the like or the dislike, whatever you prefer. Okay, tab looking interesting for another retest for the 769. Good afternoon, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Welcome. Wherever you are, we always do our live streaming each day. Each day before the market open by 30 minutes. And before that, of course, for a precise entry for many stocks is on our Discord and Patreon every day, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Why? Because we have a good better entry for mini stock. For some W it was around the 14 for buying the dip, and for top, of course, it was exactly around the 650. We discussed it in our Discord. We said the entry, guys, 650, profit taking 747. If we go back, we got rejected right around our profit taken and we entered here. So how much we did for this trade, guys? Let me just show you. 15% before the market open. So some of you say, okay, Jesus, we did 15%, we go to sleep. Yes, 15%, perfect, you go to sleep now. So sometimes we just trade in pre-market for 30 minutes and you get those kind of trade, you get 15%, 20%. Then you never trade. If you don't want to trade, you just take time off. You go to the park, you spend your time with your family. This is what I like about trading is there's no limit about the money that you make, and of course you could make this money in small time frame, so you don't have to work 5-6 hours. No, 30 minutes is enough. Sometimes really 30 minutes is enough for me to call it for the day. But usually like I scan the market, let's say for 1 hour, then I trade for 1 hour and 2 hours, in total 3 hours. That's it. I can't call it a day and never check the market or the trade. So 3 hours, 2 hours is enough, imagine. However, you have to know exactly where you enter and where you exit, and you have to have a strategy. Because if you don't have a strategy, you overtrade. And once you overtrade, you lose the money that you made. This is the trick, and this is why a lot of new traders lose money, because they overtrade and they have this preconceived notion that by trading more, you make more, which is the opposite actually. It's counterintuitive, but it's the opposite. The more you trade, the more you lose money. CKB, he said, yeah, man, you can go to sleep now if you want. But I don't like to sleep early like this, you know. I have like my period of sleeping. So if I sleep right now, it's not good for me to break the habit of sleeping at the right time. Okay, let's check again our stock screener for today. Sun W, number one, of course. After that, we have NSTG. Nice, volume is picking up. Guys, watch out. NSTG is about to do something here. It's about to break. NSTG looking good. IMBS, we were watching this one. We have earnings. We warned our hunter for the sellers. Around the 4, we said, guys, don't be fooled. We might get rejected. Don't enter now. After this huge green candle, of course, the price got rejected. So if you don't know how to enter and you get fooled by this green candle, you're gonna lose 17%. You'll be down 17% and you holding 17%. This is not good to trade, guys. You have to be wise. Don't enter until we have a confirmation. For this one, we said over the 4, guys. If we don't break, don't enter. So IMBS, it was a big fake out here, or a big trap. Yeah, we have a big bull trap here. Top, guys, top looking good. We're watching for the 769. 769, this is would be the short covering up. If they cover here, guys, we're gonna have another pump. Hit the like, guys. Today we need to hit the 200 likes. Today we need to hit the 200, guys. Is that possible? let's hit the 200 likes for today. First, let's hit the 100. If we hit the 100 before the market open, we're gonna see the 200 for today. I can feel it, man. Sometimes I can't explain things in the real world, because life is really uh, could be it's not complex. Like life is simple, but we make it complex and complicated. We complicate things, but sometimes things happen to me and I can explain it by science. And this is what happened here about the 200 likes. I can see it, man. I can't explain it, but I can see the 200 likes printing right now on the live streaming. So will be the first time that we hit the 200. Maybe after a few months, we're gonna hit the 1,000 likes. I can feel it. It's coming. Everything come at the right time. At the right time, at the right place, you meet or you're gonna find whatever you're gonna find. So if you're watching our live streaming, guys, remember, you came at the right time, at the right place. We are lucky. You have to thank YouTube algorithm because YouTube algorithm always recommend like Mr. Beast videos or videos that for little children, like playing with games or clickbait. Because what we do here is need commitment, need discipline, and there is no kind of entertainment here. Here we do work. So that's why it's really hard to have like a million views for trading channel. It's really hard. Sometimes it's really rare because a lot of people like to spend time on like normal things. They don't want to learn. So if you come here, it mean you're a special person. It mean you want to learn. It mean you doing something hard like trading and you want to understand something that is really hard. So you pass the first level. So this is good that you come at the right place here, which we do every day, guys. We hunt every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Yes, 200 today. No less, no more. 200. Exactly. I can see it, guys. I can see it. There is no in between. 200 likes for today. Come on, guys. We watching top, guys. This is the only one that might do really crazy thing. And with some W, of course. NSTG, yes, is a maybe. NSTG, I will keep it on the list here. It looked really good. SYRA, we discussed it yesterday. Remember, guys, this one of our elite hunters asked us about this one. Of course, just as a reminder, guys, Hologram already hunted for it today on our Discord. If you want to join our Patreon and have access to those exclusive trade for our hunters to know where to enter, where to exit, you can choose one of those two levels because the first level discipline hunter already sold out. Once you join our Patreon, you can have access to those pre-market update where you could have access to those entry like top. We entered around the $6.50, guys. We said watch out, there's a breakout here, and we suggest to take profit around the 747. This was quick entry and exit and 15% gain for top before even the market open, guys. We do it daily here. So for this one, we did top, and yesterday we got a great question from one of our elite hunter here about SYRA. We discussed this one. We said the support is the $5.19. If we held it, we're gonna have the profit around the 737, and of course we hit it yesterday around the $8 even. And guess what? After we broke our support there, guys, it was game over around the $5.17. Boom, we squeezed down, and now we have a struggle to break this level again. So yeah, this one was yesterday is good. Plus, guys, if you don't day trade, we do swing trade as well. So what does mean? Swing trade is mean you hold it for one day, less risky, blue chip company. So we did Disney the day before, Of course, we have a huge jump, 11%. We took profit there. RBLX, we have an entry around the $40, and we said 45 is profit, and then the 51. Of course, this one jumped 25% the other day. And the other one, of course, Palantir jumped 30% or almost 40% right now and still pumping over the 20, now 21.85, and now I think over the 21.85. Those swing trade, we do it on our Discord and Patreon. However, you have to be on the King or the Elite in order to have access to swing trade play. So whatever your strategy or whatever, if you don't have any time to trade, we do even swing trade here. We don't just trade volatile stock, but even blue chip company and safe stocks. So whatever you're looking for, we have it here on Discord and Patreon. If you want to join, the link in comment section below. I'm gonna put it right now on the chat section, guys. You're always welcome, guys. You're always welcome to join us and hunt with us daily, guys. So let me just put the link for our Patreon Discord down. Remember, guys, today we're gonna hit the 200 likes. I can feel it. As we said, 200 likes for today, no less, no more. So hit the like, guys. Spread the love. Spread the love and the knowledge, because here, guys, what we do here, we help each other against the market maker and the short sellers, because the market is really volatile and not fair. The only way to manage to trade and make profit is to help each other. How we help each other? Of course, by knowing when the short seller will come and where we should take our profit or where we should enter. Plus, you help me, guys, because you sometimes I miss some trade, and one of our hunters tell me, Jesus, check this stock, and I check it will be perfect entry, and we enter together, we take profit. So we like help each other here. That's why we do live streaming and live and for everybody to watch. And don't forget, this is not a financial advice, and not financial advisor. So you always do due diligence before you put your money on the line. This is the first thing and the most important thing you have to know about our trade. First, guys, now we have to watch the top stock on our list. If you just came in here a bit late, make sure to come early the next time, because every time we do hunt here on our pre-market update on Discord. And let me just show you. We have a nice trade before this, a huge jump for top here. We said, guys, watch out. We have the $6.50 is the resistance. Profit taking, we said the $7.47. So we did already 15%. We entered and exit for this perfect trade, guys. And now, guess what? Pulling back exactly around our profit taking. Now we watching for another entry for people who late or were sleeping. As we said, you have to wake up early. If you are living in the United States, yes, I can feel what you going through, because it's really, really, really early in the United States. Here in Europe, we are around the 3 p.m. right now, 3 p.m. 30. So it's perfect. The pre-market is around the 10 a.m. So it's not too early. So if you live in the United States or LA, yes, it's too early, I know. So there's a lot of opportunity in the pre-market. Make sure to wake up early or just change country. I'm just saying. However, right now we have to watch out for top, for re-entry over the support, because we're gonna have a reversal pretty soon. And the market open, we're gonna have a pullback big time, then a huge reversal. And will be a good dip to buy top. Guys, we have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left, and now let me just do this, because we have to talk, guys. We have to talk. Now we have almost 115. And today, as I dreamt about having 200 likes, guys. And always my dream come true. So guys, now we have 115 likes and over 200 people watching. This is the first time for this year, and I can feel it. We're gonna have like 1,000 people watching, 10,000. This is not the problem here. The problem here, we need 200. Or the solution. The solution is the 200. There's no problem. There's always a solution for any problem. That's what I believe. So for today, guys, let's hit the 200. And now we have 2 minutes before the market opened. Let's give our disclaimer once again before we start our live streaming. Yes, for today. So watch out, guys. Today we have top. So this one is still pumping. So let's do our disclaimer before the market open and be ready to hunt top and the other stocks. And disclaimer is, remember, our life is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, guys, remember that we do our live streaming each day. So hit the like button and the way in. Spread the love. Let's hit the 200 likes for today. This will be the first time for us to hit 200. And of course, we're gonna have the 1000 for this year. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones, guys. So let's get right to it and hunt top. And welcome again. If you just join us, welcome, guys, whatever you are. Let's get right to it and hunt for top. So the market is about to open. 1 second left, I think. Let me just check here. Yes, perfect. Let's put or pour our holy water before the market open. Let's get right to it, everybody. Let me lower this one down. Okay, market open. Watch out, guys. Top looking good. Top looking good. Yes, and no, this one is about to break. PHN, nothing much right now. We're watching top, guys. Top looking good. So I'm watching top first for entry for top. Not ready yet. We might have a good dip toward the 649. Let's see. 118. We already have an entry and exit for top. The perfect entry was there, guys, around this dip. Now I'm watching for a dip buying here for top. Let's see if we have a dip buying for this one. Still holding. Still, we need another dip. Another dip. Yes, 649 maybe. Yeah, 667. Go deeper. We need another dip. Okay, perfect. Okay, getting near a nice dip here. Come on. Is that it? No, 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 no. This is a big dip here. Watch out, guys. Watch out. We have a huge dip. We don't have any reversal yet. Yes, perfect. We have a reversal here. $6.29 should be our support now. Now reversal, perfect. $6.56. Come on, we need a reversal, guys. We need a reversal. Are we halted? No, not yet. Perfect reversal, guys. 629. Perfect reversal. Exactly. Now we have a big seller, guys, here around these levels. If we don't break this level, guys, it's game over for top around the $7. $7 is the resistance now. Yes, $7. If we don't break it, is not good for top. Yeah, the big seller is still there. The big seller is still there, guys. Big seller is still there. Yeah. So watch out for the $7. The seller is still there, guys. The seller is still there. Now we have to hold this level for the support, test the $7, see if we're gonna have a short covering or not. If we cover the short, is mean we're gonna squeeze after we break the 7. If not, make sure to exit around the 7 because we might have a flash after we test the 7. So this is really critical zone now to be tested around the 7. Now $6.60. Are we gonna have the $6.80? Yes, $6.63, 666, 68. Nice, really nice reversal here we have. Okay, nice, 680. Make sure to take profit, guys, around this reversal. It was really good reversal from the $6.23 or $6.29. The 7 is the resistance, is still big seller there, guys. We might have a test, then rejection. $7. Come on, we need another pump, then dump. Yeah, 679. 7, okay, 88. Perfect. I think I'm gonna take profit here, guys. For top, we entered around the bottom, 645, and now I'm gonna take profit here. Gonna take profit, exit, perfect. Now I'm waiting again for entry. $7 is the major resistance, everybody. NSTG, whoa, man, this one was perfect around the 15. Oh man, this one jumped 50% in just few seconds. Okay, we missed this one. Yeah, this one was really perfect. NSTG. This one is gone. NSTG. Let me just check how much we could open for this one. If it's too much, I will be angry. No, not too much, of course. So NSTG, we have just little amount of money to open. Look at that, man. Let me just show you how much. We could open just 400 euros for this trade, or 1,900. And if you're wondering why, because here in Europe, we have limited shares to open as a safety for penny stocks. And top looking good. Tested the $7 and going down. As we said, guys, if you want to join, or if you are from Europe, guys, you can join on this platform, which is Trading 212 that I'm using. However, if you go on Trading 212, the problem is you have limit on the share that you could open. This is the only thing. But this is the only broker, for my opinion, in Europe that look good. Look at that, $7 gets shorted, guys. As we said, take your profit around the $7 because the short seller is there. $7, big seller. We have a big seller around the $7. That's why we suggest to exit. We entered here, guys, around the 629, and we exited around the 7. Perfect trade, guys. Let me just check how much we did here. 10%. And here we did almost 20% before the market opened. Big seller still around the 7. Let me just check if we have another entry if we broke the 7. Yeah, this one looked good if we broke the 7. But man, there's a big seller around the 7. You see, we have undecision candle here. Undecision. Big seller from above, big buyer from below. Undecision candle. NSTG, this one got shorted around this level, so I will wait for this one to have a pullback. Okay, this one is preparing for a kick around the $7. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, I think it looked good here. Not yet. Still holding. Holding over the 7. Okay, now it's a bit tricky to have a confirmation. Yeah, still holding. We'll wait. Okay, look good here. 735. We have a breakout from the 7. Okay, let's see now. Let's adjust the level here now. Big seller now around the 773. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Today we're gonna hit the 200 likes. As we said, we have a dream to hit the 200. We have a dream that we're gonna hit the 200 likes. So let us make the dream come true for Jesus. Hit the like button on the way in. Okay, top is doing all right, guys. Top doing all right. We might have a squeeze right now, 750. As we said, the $6.29 was our reversal bottom. It was perfect entry here, guys. And now it's getting near a major resistance. So if you entered around the bottom here, make sure to take profit around the $7.70 because we might get rejected again. Oh man, this one broke the support here. Hologram, PHUN, SYRY. We have many stocks went down. IMBS, maybe I'm gonna put it down because it's calling up. ILAG is not good. Yes, I'm gonna go toward top again. Top, guys, is about to squeeze. Watch out. 773. 773. We might have a squeeze right now. Top is going, testing. Watch out. This is a major resistance. This is a major resistance. If we broke it, we're gonna squeeze. $7.77. Let's go, let's go, let's go, everybody. Let's go. Yes, a huge test, guys. Big rejection. We didn't break. $7.74. Big rejection zone. What a crazy rejection, man. But watch out for the 629. This is the support. So even with this rejection, as long as we hold here, we are good to retest. But again, this is a major resistance confirmed. We have a big seller, everybody. IMBS is preparing. IMBS. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where you gonna go? IMBS, I think we're gonna have a squeeze here. I will wait for IMBS breakout, guys. 409 now, or 407 is about to break. Yeah, IMBS is about to break. We have a near experience of breakout here. There's a chance for a huge jump for this one. Yes, 411, 413. Watch out. This one is jumping. IMBS. Yes, 430, 35, 38, 40. Guys, this one is about to squeeze or already squeeze. Make sure to take profit, guys, around the $4.99 or just below the $5. This one is moving. We've just bought it right now before the break. So this one I might take profit just quickly because we might have a rejection around the 470. Yeah, we already have a bit of rejection there. So now let me just put a rejection zone around the 469. Yeah, we have a big buyer still there. Huge wick. The problem is that we have this pullback is we have light volume. The good thing is we have earnings, huge earnings for this one. Support for that one is over the $3.19. We have major resistance around the 469. If we broke the 469, we have 540 and the 660. This one could squeeze. We're gonna keep it on the list. Top got shorted big time, guys. Double top around the 774. $7.74 was our resistance. Loot just made his money on top. You are welcome. You are welcome, my brother. SNW, SunW, not ready, brother. Not ready to pump until we break the 1998. By the way, guys, by the way, right, I think we have yes, we have a bit of reversal on the market open. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback. So watch out. we have a target for Riot and Mara and the other toward those level. So Riot have a huge jump. If you remember, guys, we already discussed Riot and Mara crypto stock here around this support, and we said there is a chance for a reversal. We're already reversal almost 50% now, and this is just the beginning. All of them are in between heaven and hell. All of them are in this. Look at this huge pump, man. All of them is pumping. Coinbase, we have a test for the resistance. Look at that. Beautiful. 144. So Coinbase, we've got the target here. Another 10% for Coinbase. Next week, we might have another 10% and gain back all the lost. And gain back all the loss, or half or more than half the loss that we did the last month, I think. So yeah, crypto stock looking good, everybody. Top is still sideways trading at the moment because we still have a big seller on the $7.74. IMBS pulling back. SunW, we have a breakout here. Almost breakout, almost. This one looking good. Okay, we've got a support, everybody, for this one around the 16. Yeah, SunW looking pretty nice now. Pretty nice if we broke the $20 or the 20 cent. This is would be the top gainer. Good afternoon, John. Hit the like, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. As we said, today we have the target of 200 likes. I can't feel it. I can't feel it, everybody. 200 likes is coming up. It's coming up right away. Sun W, watch out, John. We have a huge resistance around the 20. Huge resistance, of course. Oh, top got shorted. Oh man, oh man, we broke the support, not good. Now we have another support, $5.73 to reverse from, and I think we got halted for top right now. We've got halted, yes. Yeah, top halted down. Top halted down, everybody, not good. IMBS is still looking good. SunW is still looking good. So let us switch, guys. Let us switch gear and go to SunW. So SunW, guys, as long as we hold the 16 cent, we're gonna have a squeeze over the 20. So this one looking juicy. If we only hold this level and we break this level, this one could do a really good run because we have a nice pump here, almost 50%. So this one losing momentum because we already pumped 50% here. So we might have a bit of pullback, then continue to go higher to load up, or maybe we're gonna pump right now. This would be a crazy stock. If pump now would be really good. IMBS is still looking good. IMBS still looking good. Okay, let me just check here. SW. Yeah, not ready yet. Watch out, guys. IMBS is about to retest. We've got a retest for IMBS around the 469. If we have a retest, we might have the 540 and the 660. This one have a huge earning for today, Friday, 36 to press for today. That's why IMBS reversed from the bottom, a huge bottom, and now is preparing to test the 469, which the short seller will cover there. Guys, hit the like. We almost hitting the 200. Bring your cat or your dog, whatever. We don't care. If the like were registered here on YouTube is mean good. Remember guys, we always do our live streaming each day here, 30 minutes before the market open. And if you're ready to hunt with us before that, if you want to cut those trade like top before this squeeze, guys, before here around the 6, you could join us guys here each day before the market open. This one we did it before the jump for top. We said the $6.50 is the breakout. Profit taking, we said $7.47 exactly, 15% profit taken, and we said run with your money because the price will get pulled back down there. So it was good hunt for our hunter and our Discord guys before the market open. So if you want to join and you wondering how this work, you can join us on Patreon on the king level or elite, and then you're gonna have access to our Discord pre-market update, chart analysis update, not every just unicorn stock or day trade stock. We do even guys swing trade stock. Disney we entered around the 98 and now is over the 108. For RBLX we already entered around the $40 and now over the $50. And of course we have Palantir, one of the top gainers for this month for swing trade. We did 30% on this trade and we closed our trade, and of course we entered around the $16 and now over the $21. So if you want to join, the link in comment section below. Right now we have to watch out IMBS or Sun W because it's about to squeeze here, everybody. And let me just again give you the link again just in case if you want to join there. Oh yeah. So let me just go back and watch Sun W because it's about to squeeze here. Come on guys, 169 and counting. 169 and counting. You know what's gonna happen? We're gonna hit the 200, man. It's coming. Do you ever feel something that's like you have a feeling something about to happen before it happened? Here in France, we call it déjà vu. Like you see a scenario before it happened. Whatever you want to call it, I will call it destiny or I will call it like meant to be. So as today, when I start my live streaming, I just saw the 200 likes. If you're wondering what's wrong, brother, with the 200, this is was like a play or a game I play with myself. I've been like doing live streaming for almost over 2 years right now, and we never hit the 200. We always do like before we have 100, then we never hit the 200. We always have the 150, 160. So now let's say, okay, why not we hit the 200? Let's say, why not? So yeah, this is idea just came up in my head, and at the same time, I saw the 200 printing in my head before it happened. So I think I can feel it. This time I'm gonna have the 200 before we finish our live streaming. Okay, this one is pulling back. Double top, everybody. Double top here. Double top. Watch out. Top is holding over the 570. Another potential reversal from this bottom. MLGO, not good. Yeah, top looking good for the reversal. IMBS is still looking good. IMBS looking pretty good here. Yeah, IMBS, we've got a support there around the $3.90. And now is about to have another squeeze up, guys. IMBS, we have huge earnings. That's why we jumping. And now is squeezing. 455 is about to do something crazy. IMBS. IMBS want to go toward the 540. Yes, we've got a resistance here. Yeah, IMBS looking good. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. We're watching IMBS looking pretty nice for another squeeze here. Top, it was really good in the pre-market. It was really good hunt. We entered here, guys, around the 630 and we exited around the 750. And now it's flashing down, but still holding the support. Now we watch an IBS because there's a chance for a break from the 456. If we broke the 456, we'd be good for another pump up. Let me just check here if we got something halted. Nothing. Still watching. We have 174. I'm still counting, guys. I'm still counting. We're still counting for the 200 likes. And again, the 200 guys likes is not for me, is for helping other hunters to see or to find our channel, guys, on our stream. It's not for my ego. A lot of you wondering why I want 200 likes. It's not for me, brother. It's not for me, because the more likes you put, the more the YouTube algorithm will say, okay, this YouTube video or stream is good. It means we have to spread it for other viewers. And this is the reason that I say like the video in order to help other traders to see our live streaming. And of course, that's what we do here. We help other traders to not lose money and take profit. This is how we like help each other and have at least fighting chance against the manipulation that happening in the market right now, and a lot of unfair market that's going on. That's why I'm trying to make the game balanced here between us and the market maker by helping each other, by know where to exit, by know where to enter. Because I have a lot of stories, guys. I have a lot of meeting because I do meeting on my pitch on Discord, and I heard a lot of stories. A lot of people lost a lot of money because they don't know where to enter and where to exit. And this is was in my situation before. I lost a lot of money because I don't know like I don't see anybody to help. Like I don't find someone to tell me how to do and what I should do, and I lost a lot of money because of that. And the only reason right now for me to do trading and to help other traders like me and like you, in order to stop losing money at the same time making money. This is the most important thing, and that's why you're watching our live streaming. And remember, guys, we always do our live streaming each day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So make sure to come early the next time. Of course, tomorrow is weekend for the next Monday, of course, the next week. And before that, we always do our hunt on our Discord, guys. So here on our Discord and Patreon, we always hunt for mini stocks. And as you can see here, our live streaming that we did before the market opened was on top. We were watching this one closely. We said this is perfect for entry around the 650, and the 747 is the profit taken. So this one was perfect in pre-market. That's why we have to be early to enter and exit for those kind of trade. So as you can see here, this is our Patreon. You have just 3 levels. The first level already sold out. We have just the second king level and the elite in order to have access to our exclusive content, which is live streaming, watch this stock before the market open, live, and of course, after we finish our live streaming, we have swing trade stocks. Disney last one was, and of course, unicorn stocks for entry and exit for many of them. So let's get right to it and see if we're gonna hit the 200 likes for today, guys. Let's hit the 200. Eric, nice. We got new hunters, everybody, a new hunter on the king level. Welcome, Eric. I'm gonna send you a welcome message after that, okay? Don't worry, I'm gonna send you a welcome message first to show you how to link our patient to Discord and how everything works, okay? After we finish our live streaming. BTTR. Alvaro just took his profit on the IMBS. Good hunt, brother. Karen, AMC, we'll check it. AMC, AMC. I was wondering why you say AMV. I thought this was talk, but now I see that you just made a mistake. AMC. Yeah, milestone, milestone, milestone for the 200. Okay, PLCE, and we have Royal Ad ask about OCUL. So we have just three stocks to check very quick because we might have something here. IMBS stop is going down. Sun W, nothing. So IMBS is still looking good, guys. We're watching IMBS very closely because this one is bound to do something because we're still holding the $3.90 and we've got a resistance is about to break now. 456. This is it, guys. If we broke here, it's game on. So I can't watch the requested stock from us right now because we're watching this one closely because we might have a squeeze. Guys, we're missing 10 people. 10 people to hit the milestone for today. I can feel it. We're gonna hit even the 300. Why not? 10 people left. And STG is moving. Let me just check crypto stocks. Oh man, we need some power here, guys. Watch out. We have a pullback for crypto stocks. Pullback. Let me just check very quick here. BTTR. BTTR, look at that. Huge rejection zone for BTTR. Yes, this one look really good. We have 77% up, but this one you couldn't play it because it's bound by the news. Yeah, we have the news and the stock just jumped in a few minutes. Okay, BTTR looking good, brother. We have 28 as a support. The second support is 22, profit taking 44 and 54. Maybe more, but yeah, this two level. 37 is the resistance. BLCE, not that good, not that good, not that good. Yeah, look, not that good, man. It's tricky here for this one. For OCUL, man, this one hit our profit taken perfectly. 580, so this is the resistance now. And of course, the support is there and there. We have the 478 and 3.77. And this one, if it's jump really good, we might have those profit taken for this one. We have the $637, 790. So this one we're gonna keep it on the list with BTTR, both of them looking good. We might hunt them later. I will check them later if we're gonna have a reversal. For top is reversing perfectly from the support 570, guys. IMBS is preparing. IMBS is preparing for a kick here. Sun W still holding the $16 or the 16 cent. What a day, man. What a day we have. NSTG is preparing for a kick toward the 26. NSTG looking good. MLGO not that good. Yeah, NSTG looking good. Hologram not that good. Broke the triangle here. PHN is pulling back big time toward the 31 again. This one is dead for today. Safe the same. DWAC nothing. We have the $50 as a resistance. But if we go back top, it look really perfect reversal, guys. 570. IMBS is preparing for a kick, everybody. Watch out. We have, yes, two stocks halted, but I think they're not good. IMBS looking good, guys. We've got something here. We've got a break from the 438. Now we have the 540 test. Six people left on hitting the 200 likes. Nice. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a member or for just being yourself. Really privileged to be part of this community, guys. Really happy to be part of this community. Sometimes I forget to say thanks and be like to thank that I have this community. I don't know how to say it. Be grateful, yes. Sometimes like you forget to be grateful that you have your health or you have your home or you have this basic things in life, you know. Sometimes I forget, but now I have to do it like once a week to remind myself that whatever I have right now is precious, man. Like whatever we have right now, we built this community from scratch, man. Really, really, I feel grateful for that, guys. And the thanks, all the thanks is for you guys. Is without you guys, like we don't have this community. And of course, without the internet, we're never gonna have this kind of connection and this good community. So yes, I'm really grateful, guys, for this community, and hopefully we gonna grow it together. More hunters. Today we have the 200 likes. Imagine, guys, this is the first time we hit it, and this is just the glimpse of the future. We're gonna have more, of course, for the likes and the views, and this is just the basic or this like the surface. What we need here, not the likes, not the views. I don't care about that. The most thing I care about is helping you guys to be better trader and make money and stop losing money. The likes and the views is kind of superficial thing, okay? But we have to have them in order to reach more traders and help other traders. So the sole reason that I say like the video is not for me, but for you guys and for the other trader, they never discover our channel. It's kind of everything's connected if you just think about it. Okay, IMBS looking pretty nice. IMBS looking pretty nice here. For IMBS, make sure to take profit, guys, because we might get rejected around the 540. So make sure to take profit. This one we were watching, guys, closely because we have earnings and we discussed it back in the pre-market. We said the $4 is the resistance and the $3.12 It was our support, so we have a reversal, and we write this one perfectly, and we suggest for the $4.30 as a breakout. So it was good. Yeah, NSTG is pumping, but IMBS looking better here. IMBS, guys, IMBS looking good. 517. Okay, make sure to take profit, guys, for this one. Make sure to take profit. We have almost 26% on this trade because we already hunted before even the market open. So make sure to take profit here, guys. This one is good to exit now. Yes, it's good to exit right now because we already have almost 30% on this trade. So it's not bad, guys. Not bad. Really not bad for this trade. IMBS was really good. Now we have 30%. Yes, now I'm gonna exit. Perfect. Because we get near a major rejection around the $5.40. Yeah, $5.40 is the resistance. I'm gonna exit right now. Okay, IMBS, no trade right now. We exit from this trade. So we waiting for another trade now. IMBS is still pumping. Yes, this is a major resistance to be tested. Whoa, someone said AMC is ripping. Oh man, AMC is ripping. Exactly, AMC is doing pretty nice. Yo, AMC, watch out. The monkeys, the apes is coming up. One lucky number. We have the last likes for today, and we gonna have a huge celebration, guys. We gonna have a huge celebration. The last likes for today, and we gonna hit the 200. So whatever who hit the 200 likes right now, he gonna be a millionaire. He gonna be millionaire really soon, this year or the next year. I don't know exactly, but the 200 like who hit it gonna be a millionaire. It's gonna be a millionaire. I can see it, man. Don't ask me. When Jesus says something will happen. As for the 200 likes, of course, now we hit the 205. So it's celebration time, everybody. Celebration time. Well, thank you guys for the 200 likes. This is a milestone that we hit for today. This is the first time since 2 years once we do our live streaming, we never hit the 200 likes. And this is just the beginning. So we have to celebrate for the 200 likes. And of course, this is just the beginning. We're going to have the 1000 likes. This is the other target, of course. This is a thank to all the hunters and all the members who actually support our channel. Thank you in advance, everybody. Now it's 212, man. John, I think today we're gonna hit the 1000. Whoa, Asian gang. Yeah, Chinese New Year today. Nice. Oh man, I think this is not coincident that I hit 200 on the New Year for China. Oh man, is mean It mean I have to go to China. This is a sign for me that I have to do my seminar in China. Okay, Tab is still holding. Watch out, Tab is still holding the 573, guys. We might have a reversal. NSTG is IMBS is still squeezing, guys. IMBS is still squeezing. But this one I don't trust right now. We might get rejected anytime soon around the 580. So this one I will wait for a pullback. Now I will wait for a pullback. IMBS, guys, one of the top gainer for today. Top already hunted for today in the pre-market. AMC jumping, guys. AMC is jumping. Crypto stocks, we might have a reversal because everything is reversed now. If we go on the blue chip company, we got Tesla jumping 1% or almost 2%. Yeah, we getting near a bottom for Tesla. Neo, the same. We have a huge bottom here. Unity, Microvision, Nvidia still strong, AMD still strong. Whoa, this one pumped down. Whoa, we have some bad news for BKKT. This one, I think we got we have fear of yeah, we have the fear of filing. Court filing, yes, it's coming up. Yes, I think in the 15th of February, next week, before Valentine Day. Yes. Boom. Raven. Nothing much. So if we go to AMC, everybody, AMC looking pretty neat. However, we have to test the 476. Look at that. This one is the major level. The major level that we should break for AMC to have a squeeze. 477. How much we missing for AMC to squeeze? $7. So now 7%, not $7. We missing another 7%, so 14%. We missing 14% in a day to give us a kick for AMC, everybody. Top is still struggling to hold over the 570. IMBS is still squeezing to the moon, guys. This one. Okay, this one is strong. NSTG, guys, hitting the profit taken and now is pulling back. NSTG hit the 35 profit. This one was on our list for today as well, NSTG. We discussed the 1850. We said this is the bottom. Resistant breakout was around the 26. And then we pumped 33%. Wow, in just few minutes, 33%. Okay, this one is pulling back down. Hologram, not ready yet. PHN, not today. So yeah, guys, we have AMC doing all right, 9% now. Top is still holding the bottom. IMBS, one of the top gainer for today, 117. And it's getting near a major resistance now, 690. It's overextended for my opinion. We should have a pullback anytime soon, guys, here. Look at that. We should have a pullback anytime soon. Right now, we could have a huge pullback here. Entry after that, we've got there. So I'm watching for a bottom here, reversal. Yes, now we might have a break from this trend. NSTG looking perfect here. This one look really strong. So IMBS and STG looking pretty nice. Xander, exactly. Nazim Kahan, if you can hear me. Nazim asked about how he could join our Patreon. Here's the link, brother. If you want to join the link, if you want to join our Patreon, is there, brother. You can join our Patreon here on the king level or the elite. This is the only places left. If we have just two places left for the king. So the link in comment section below, brother, if you want to join our Patreon Discord. Yes, brother. Yes. Yeah, it was perfect, man. So we have a good call from one of our hunter here before the market opened here or on the market open. He said, everyone, IMBS looking good. So we checked IMBS and it was here. So we warn our hunter for not entering because we've got a resistance around the 4. We got rejected. Then we suggest for entry around the support or around the breakout the 4. We broke the 4, we accumulate, then we squeezed. So yeah, brother, it was really good. But your call was here. Once the market opened, then we pulled back. So it was risky. If we don't have a good major news, like good earnings, we could have flushed down. So watch out. This one was good, but if we go back in time and if we have a really not good news, we might flush down. The best idea is entering after we have a confirmation. Yes, top got reversal. Yes, huge reversal from the 573. Oh man, this one, I will. Yeah, NSTG and IMBS looking good. Top looking good right now. We have a huge reversal, guys. Top, we might have a reversal now. This is a crazy day that we have. What a crazy day we have for today, guys. What a nice day we have. Today is Friday, man. Today is Friday, and we've got a nice, nice day. Okay, we're watching IMBS or top for a reversal, but we're not ready for a reversal until we break this level. Yes, the $6.85. Watch out, everybody. If we don't break it, this means we're not ready. AMC looking good. IMBS, time to pull back for IMBS. Weakness, as we said, the 690. NSTG, we have a big seller on the 35, but still looking good because it's still holding the 26. Miriam asked about PHUN. Good question. Or I could say in Arabic, Maryam, not Miriam. In English is Miriam, but in Arabic is Maryam. So, which one we should see right now? Where the level of support? So look at that, Mariam. Look at that. We have a support still around the 31. Resistance is still, yeah, we already got tested around the 38, but we don't hold, of course. We discussed it before. We said the 38 is the level. We got a huge wick around the 38 and the price went down. So this one, guys, watch out. A huge rejection. It happened exactly around the 40 cents. So yeah, we have to hold the 31. Otherwise, we're going to have a pullback until the 25. So this is the current support after the 31. If we held, we're going to accumulate, then retest the 40. So the 40 is where the short added for PHUN. For top, we have to watch for this level of resistance break, the 685. Son, thank you. You are welcome. So nice. One of our hunters did almost 2000 on IMBS. One of our elite or our supporter here on YouTube membership. Sen Carasson. Really appreciate your support. So shout out to Sen. Shout out to our other members. Xander. one of our hunter for more than 6 months, I think. Thank you, brother. Safari Jones, one of our new members here on YouTube. Lot, one of our new member as well. Shout out to Focal. Thank you, brother, for the support. We don't have to forget Charles. Welcome, brother. Thank you. Shout out for many our hunters here. We have many members and many supporter here. Lawrence Bitita. What else? Danny Watson. Tribal Tech, of course, one of our active traders here. Speak the truth, unlike your name, brother. And it's really hard to speak the truth right now for, in this kind of world that we live in right now. It's really hard to speak the truth sometimes. But this is the best way of living, by being true to yourself and to your brother and sisters, to be honest. And sometimes being honest is mean being rude and being hated by people. And there's no in between, you know. If you want to say the truth, you're gonna hurt some people by your honesty. And if you want to make everybody okay with you, you have to lie. You don't have to say the truth. So I will choose the path of truth, because you're gonna find the right people for you, because the wrong people will never stay. If you say the truth, they will never stay. And this is the best way of make like a magnet for good people and repeller for the bad people, by saying the truth and be yourself. Yasir, thank you for the support. Thank you, brother. So yeah, shout out to all our members. Thank you, everybody. IMBS, pullback, NSTG. Okay, this one. Crypto stocks, nice. We have accumulation. Guys, you see we have a selling pressure on the market open, and now we have accumulation, price pulling back up now. Watch out, we might have another kick up and a new high for right. Look at that. The accumulation is finished. Now time for another launch. AMC is getting near the 477, our resistance for today. LXEH got halted. Halted, I think, down. MGLD, we got MGLD, we've got GRYB. Okay, we've got two stocks halted. Let us check if we got opportunity for entry for those stocks. This one not good, is dying. And this one is sinking. This one sinking. I think it's the new IPO. Top is not ready, guys. It's not ready yet. This one is might be ready. Guys, let's try to do something now. We might hit the 300 likes, because we hit the 200. This would be another level to hit. This is a new game I do. I always say, why not? You know, if something impossible, I say, why not? Why not we do something and try something else, something new, and it happen every time. Because everything is kind of possible. If you have this kind of mentality, you can have everything happened. Yo, this one looking good. Let me just lower this. Okay, this one looked good, but now we still have a major rejection around the 35. Yeah. to okay 36. This one we might have a good thing going on for it. Okay, AMC, nothing. IMBS. Yeah, we might watch this one, guys, NSTG, because it might break. Let's see. We might have a break here. Not yet. Exactly, man. Exactly. The magnet, man. Use the magnet in your favor. Everybody, if you listen, use this magnet in your favor and make your life simpler. Life is really simple, but people make it complicated. Why? Because they think, overthink, they say, what if a lot of time, not why not. What if is not good. When you say, what if I did that, or I should have, I could have, this is passive like life is not active life. Active life is why not do it, do things. And of course, anything happen to you, bad or good, even is bad, like losing money, just take it as a lesson, or you can interpret it as a good thing, because whatever happened to you is really good. There's a lesson to learn from it, you know, there is a hidden signal. If you look enough, you're gonna find it. A lot of people like say why I crashed my car, or why I got this, or why I got that, why me, and they take it as everything as a like a problem, not as a like a puzzle to solve, you know, because life is a puzzle. If you have a problem in your life, it's really good to like to have outside thinking, because if everything is good, let's say, I will give you an example here. If you just start trading and you never lost money, you never appreciate how making money hard and how the game is. So if you just make money and never losing money, yes, it's good, but when you, if you don't lose money at all, you don't have appreciation for making money. The same, if you never get sick before, you never appreciate being healthy. If you let's say the same, you never actually appreciate pleasure without pain. Everything, like, you have the opposite of it, so you never know something until you taste the other thing, you know. The same with trading, the same with life in general, you know, you have to take everything as a puzzle need to be solved. If you don't like puzzles, man, then good luck living life, because life is filled with puzzles and mysteries, you know. If you if you don't like those kind of things, it mean your life will be a really struggle, you know. For me, man, I like puzzles. I like solving puzzles and problems, you know. Even when I was a young boy, all the games that I like is not like Mario, or yes, I like them, but when I grow up, I like games that have puzzles. Like, all my friends go on the internet to try to solve the puzzle, they cheating. For me, I never do that. I always stick to the puzzle until I solve it. Even for 1 week, I will stick to it. I'm gonna solve it. And I know I will find the solution. One of the hard puzzle I solved was on Silent Hill The Room. It was really difficult, man. I can remember this one. It was really difficult. Took me like almost 1 month to finish the game. But yeah, it was worth it. NSTG, I'm waiting for entry around the 36. George, welcome, brother. ZJYL, man, this one I think is halted down again. Oh man. Oh man, this one is a bit risky, brother. Watch out if we don't hold or reverse over the 7 is not good. And watch out for this breakout or resistance. We need to break the 1250 in order to have a jump toward the 16. And of course, after that, it's really tricky. Yeah, so you have an exit around the 16 and the 22. If we broke, of course, this level, the 1250, so this is the warning to have a squeeze. So for this one, just put alert, brother, around the 1280 to give us a signal for exit around the 16 and the 2290. In the time being, we have to watch for the 760 as a support. DCFC. Juan Martinez. Just from your name, I can see that you are from Mexico. Mexico, Brazil, or Argentina. Let me know if I'm right. Okay, DCFC. Okay. We have a support around the 9 cents. We've got kind of resistance. I don't trust this resistance around the 1170. Exit or profit taken for this one is around 18 and the 14. So this one is preparing for a test around the 11, guys, brother. Cuba. Okay, I got near. Nice, Cuba, man. I really want to visit South America. Really want to visit. Aha, living in Miami. I think Cuba is near Miami, yes? By airplane, I think it's near. Yeah, ILAG doesn't look good now, I think. I think I put it outside. I took it from the list even. ILAG. It was good in pre-market. Yeah, now it doesn't look good. We broke kind of support here. No, it's almost broken. Watch out, this one might go even around the 46. Yeah, 46 is the second support that we might go to. This one I don't trust, brother. Even if I'm gonna tell you the resistance is around the 85, but I don't trust it that much. But this is the only thing that I can see. We have resistance around the 85. Uh, Profit taking is around the 112 and the 150. So this one, yes, we might have a reversal. If we held now, would be good. Yeah, over the 66. Otherwise, watch out for the bottom around the 46. Resistance is around the 85. This one is preparing, guys. I'm watching for a kick toward the 36. Yeah, sitting on the chair for more than 2 hours or 3 hours is too much because we've been trading, guys, here. We've been trading on our Discord for 1 hour before this trading session on YouTube. So 2 hours on YouTube and 1 hour on our picture on Discord. So this is really too much. That's why I have to move my legs. And yes, in pre-market was really great hunt for our hunter on top, guys. We saw this breakout, imminent breakout around the $6.50. And we said the $7.47 is the profit. So this was a really great hunt for today, guys. Great hunt for top, guys, because we didn't break after that. You see, we never broke again. We went down. So that's why we always do our pre-market update for entry like this, because sometimes the market open and will be not that good. So if you want to join early, guys, you have the options to join us, guys, here on the King and the Elite, because the Discipline Hunter already sold out. So just snatch your place because it will be sold out as well early. And of course, this is for the next Monday. We're gonna do a live streaming and watch list on Monday. So Saturday and Sunday, yeah, we don't have trade. Maybe I'm gonna do a crypto trade update, guys, because cryptos, all cryptos are jumping up, and have a like a list for coins that will do crazy jump, like last time we did for Luna Classic, guys, here on Crypto Hunt. So I'm gonna do a major update, guys, for you guys. Look at that. Luna Classic, before the jump was around the 3011, and after that, after we did this update, we jumped almost 100% around this green line. So we're gonna do another update, guys, for you here on Crypto Hunt on Discord. So if you are one of our member on Discord and Patreon, you just go here and check this level, because on Sunday I might do update for you guys for cryptos. Cryptos, because look really hot now. Lawrence, always welcome, brother. Lawrence, of course, brother. Of course, take time off, take the weekend. Enjoy the weekend with the family, and see you on Monday, of course. Imagine Tech from Canada. Welcome from Paris, brother. Are you on the West Coast or the East Coast? If you are on the East Coast, it means you could speak French, even though I don't understand French Canadian, man. It's kind of difficult and different. You have different accent. Aviahanda, Sweden. Oh man, this one is on my list. I have to visit Sweden very soon. My friends, he lived there, and he suggests me to come to visit to see the aurora or the northern light. I'm a bit jealous of the people who live in there, man. And one of the things I want to do in Sweden is cold plunge. I have to do that. Cold plunge. Go on ice cold lake and take cold plunge. And prepare myself for this scenario, because every day I take cold showers. Okay, Toronto, I think they. Okay, West Coast is mean no. Yes, West Coast. They speak English, I think. AMC, IMBS. This one is pulling back. Yes, top is still holding, guys. Thank you, Lawrence. See you Monday. Nice. Oh man, did this already? Cut a hole in the lake and you just jump in the lake. I saw like a really scary video. Someone who jumped in the lake and he got trapped inside the lake because he didn't know how to get out. I don't know. I saw a video really scary. Like a woman jumped in a lake and there's a current below the lake, and the current actually took her. So she's gone. So this is kind of dangerous if you do it not in a lake but in a river, because I saw this video like Russian woman who just cold plunge in a river, and when she went inside this hole from this ice, she gone because there's current below. Oh man, I think by far to see the Northern Light is in Alaska. The more you go north, the better the view will be. Yes, man, I have to. Greetings from Ukraine. All the love to all people from Ukraine. I have a lot of friends from Ukraine. I don't know, like whenever I see a Ukrainian people, I get connect with them really easily, like Ukraine or Russian. I can't explain it. More than French, more than Italian, more than any. Yeah, Italian I have a really good connection with. I can explain it if I found like someone Italian or from Ukraine or Russia. I have a really strong connection with them. Man, yes, George is really scary, but I want to do it even more. If I want to do it, I will I put like a rope in my legs just in case. Whoa, top $6.85. A huge test again. Big seller, man, is not moving here for top. We have a big seller for top here. IMBS is about to have a kick again, guys. Watch out. NSTG, okay. So yeah, we have IMBS and we have top. IMBS and top doing really good right now. I will put AMC later here, and the rest is history. Riots. Mara is preparing for another kick up. So I'm gonna put, yeah, we're gonna put the chart on top, and I'm gonna go and do my tea, guys. So I'm gonna come back in a few minutes, okay? Don't go anywhere. I'm gonna bring a cup of tea and we keep this going. George, I'm not going anywhere. Don't worry. I like to have adventures. That's why I'm really curious about many things. Why we live in this beautiful world and without trying and tasting and have experience for this planet. It's really interesting. Like when I ask my friend about things I want to do or things that in my mind, he asked me like, "Come on, man! Like, why you think about doing those kind of stuff?" And I tell him, "Why not?" And he was like puzzled by my answer because he's just thinking about working, going home, sleeping, then waiting the weekend. than do it over again. There is no experiments, like there is no like doing something outside the box, like, okay, I'm gonna quit my job tomorrow, I'm gonna go halfway to India and I'm gonna try something new, like I'm gonna live in India in 1 year, like without planning. Those kind of my people, like they have some ideas, they're breaking the routine and doing crazy stuff. And this is the only way that you have memory in your life. If you have routine, yes, it's good, but sometimes breaking the routine is good to have other ideas, because once you inside the routine, you never have a new fresh ideas, you know. Many people do it, like many people do it, like even Elon Musk. He have really a lot of money, he sell PayPal, and he, like, normally normal people, when he have like 100 million or something, I don't know how much he sell PayPal, they would say, okay, I'm just buying Lamborghini on wrist. But for this guy, he actually put it and gambled on other project with whole money, with all money, and at the same time, he rented money, or I don't know, he have like a loan from the government. So this is the idea, is like by risking more, by going on the edge and never be in a comfort zone, is the way to go, for my opinion. Some people don't like this, so this is depends on your personality. Some people say, okay, my goal in life is to have a house in a farm and 10 babies with a cow. Okay, some people, this is their goal. Okay, perfect. If that's your goal, and don't lie to me, because I know if you lie to yourself, this is the worst thing you could ever do. If this is your a way of living, or this is your goal, do it. By all means, do it. Don't take my idea. But for me, I like to do the the ultimate thing. I don't like comfort. I don't like the basic things. So I see now, like, everybody's different, and everybody translation of life, the perfect life or happiness, is different. So I always say, my friends, if you like your job, even it's 9 to 5, and you like stability, stay in it. Perfect. Just ask yourself, are you happy? Nobody asks themselves this question. It's really honest, crazy question. And you can feel it, you know, if you're happy with your situation, your job, or even relationship with your lover. If you're happy, you know it. If you're not happy, you can feel it, you know. Guys, I'm gonna come back in just a few minutes. I'm gonna just bring a cup of tea, because this is the most important thing for me. I think I'm English, man, in my blood, because I like a cup of tea after I finish trading. So yeah, we'll come back in 5 minutes to continue hunting, and of course finding other trade for today, Friday. Before I go, okay, we'll do. Okay, nothing much happened. Top, we still have the support has been tested. Top looking good, guys. We have this triangle. Price is preparing for a kick up. So wait for another kick, guys, from this level. Will be a really good trade here. The 686. IMBS already broke. IMBS, guys, already broke again. NSTG not ready. This one is preparing for another kick. Yes, sir. This one is preparing for a break from the 21. So we have, guys, we've got TUB, IMBS, and SunW. Those the stock that we have to watch now. Yes, those are stock that we have to watch right now. Wow, we got a good answer here from Said Carson. He said 99% of people, they don't question what their life could be or what they could do. And you know why? The main reason, because a lot of people living in surviving mode. What I mean? I mean they have too much to think about to survive, to pay the bills, to go to work. A lot of things. They don't have time to contemplate about their existence. So that's why if you are in the survivor mode, you can't think about higher dimension question. So a lot of people who don't ask those questions, they are on the 2 dimension. They don't see 3 dimension even. And some people who have money, they see the world in 3 dimension. Still not good enough. However, you have to pass that in order to see the 4 dimension and beyond. It's the same with science, guys. The same with everything. You have to put the work and you have to see and you ask those kind of questions. But first, you have to make the survivor mode, like you plug the survivor mode, because if you worry about where to sleep, if you don't have a place to sleep, or you don't have work, or you have work but it's really bad, you can't think about those kind of questions. Of course, you have to fix this problem first, then you could ask those questions. Johnny, right. Really appreciate it, brother. Yes, if this is a crazy thing to ask, if you want to make all the people think the same as you, we don't have fun. Yes, the life would be better, but I think I would never change anything in the world, because this is nature. You can't change people, you can't change things. We want to have life without disease, without war, without suffering, but life is suffering. This is the main thing we overtake. A lot of people who don't believe in God or something like this, they always say this: why there's suffering, why there's fight and war if there's God? And the simple answer is, if there's only pleasure, you never experience, if there's only pain, you never experience the pleasure. If there's only pleasure, you never experience the pain. You have to have both of them to appreciate the other thing. The same, like you never know if this person is good if everybody is good. There is always contrast. There's always this. If you go back in time, there's nothing. There's no meaning. We make meaning by helping other people, by knowing pain, by knowing that we have limited time in this world. So you can't demand something like this, like everything is perfect. Demand something like this: okay, nothing is perfect, but if I try to make things perfect, is good. You try to get to the near perfection, but you never be perfect. You try to make less diseases by fixing and making new drugs, but the bacteria and viruses will adapt and change in order to survive as well. This is life, and this is excitement about life, because you're never there. You're always going in the journey. It's not about going on the top of the mountain, but is about the journey to the top of the top of the mountain. It's not about going in the top. Some people is really one of my friends told me, okay, why I'll have to mount or climb Mount Everest if I have a helicopter? He was wise, He told me, okay, Jesus, okay, brother, why waste time to climb a mountain? I tell him, no, man, the journey and the memories, you can't do it unless you have struggled to try to climb the Mountain Everest. A lot of people never did it. Because if the journey is not about getting there, it's about doing it, about surviving, it's about struggling. It's not about taking helicopter and just drop with parachute in the top of a mountain. This is not life. Tab broke the support. IMBS still holding, guys. IMBS looking good. IMBS still looking good. Okay, AMC. Let me just check crypto stocks. Nice, crypto stocks. Okay, not bad. Yes, we have a sign of weakness, everybody, here. We broke this level. Rumfeld family. He's my brother, man. Jesus is my brother. Of course I know him. Everybody know him. Everybody know my brother. False paper. Thank you for warning everybody about PHN offering. Next week, I think. Next week, maybe. Everybody asking about top. You have one level to watch out for is the 573. If we broke it, yes, is mean first sign of dump, and the dump could be really big this time. If we broke this level, we might dump 20%. However, right now it's still holding. This is just the first signal of weakness. We could have squeezed there, guys. We could have. If we have enough volume, we could have squeezed from the $6.86, but we didn't. It means the seller added. And this is just a first signal for pulling back down. And of course we have still big buyer over the 573, so this is the second confirmation for a sell-off here. If we don't hold this level, is mean not good for today. ARDX breaking again. No, ARDX is already broke before. Yeah, now 6%. Oh, so is the lunchtime in the United States? It's a dinner time here in France. Almost dinner time. Nazim Kahan, you are welcome, brother. You always welcome to join our Hunter channel. Nazim, just make sure to secure your level, because we might have the king level sold out as well. So yeah, we have just 2 places left here. And of course, if you send me a message, everybody, I'm gonna respond later on Patreon. After we finish our live streaming, I can't respond right now to you, brother and sister, if you just send me a message on Patreon. And if you just join our Patreon, I'm gonna send you a welcome message on how to link our Patreon to our Discord, guys. As you can see here, we always do chart analysis update for many stocks every day. And King Elite level, we always do a swing trade, guys. Last time it was for Palantir. So we do day trade and swing trade. And of course, we do live streaming each day before the market open. And the best trade that we did for today, it was for top, exactly around this breakout, guys, around the 630, and we suggest to take profit around the 750. So join us, everybody, if you want to come in early. Fate, yes, it's not sandwich time, it's a trade time every time. Yeah, Talal is a Maghrib time. It's the same. It's the same here in France. We have the same, the longitude time. We have the same time, brother. Ramadan is coming, Talal. Are you doing Ramadan? It was really hard last year, man. I think I have to fast almost 17 hours or something. Okay, everybody, watch out. Watch out today. Today was a good day, so we're gonna do update later on if we have something going on. In the time being, stay safe, spread love, take your tea or whatever. For me is the tea time, of course. And thank you for watching, everybody. See you by the next Monday, 30 minutes before the market open. As usual, daily hunt on our YouTube. And of course, before that, on our Patreon and Discord. See you there. If you want to join, the link in comment section below in order to have a precise entry and exit for mini trade. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you by the next week or on Sunday, because we're going to do a major update for cryptos and AMC and PHU and everything on Sunday around 6 p.m. CET. So let's say, yeah, 6 p.m. CET. So you can translate it on your United States time. I don't know exactly which time is that. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and see you by the Sunday on our video update on YouTube and live streaming on Monday, of course. Market closed on Sunday. So on Monday, 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching. Cheers, everybody, and see you the next Monday.